Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode on Twitter on Android. There is a good reason to use dark mode on X for Android devices, but this depends on the type of screen on your smartphone. If you have an OLED or AMOLED display, you can take advantage of dark mode Twitter. The pixels in these displays won't light up when they show black colors on your screen. As a result, your smartphone will consume less power, increasing its battery life. In this guide, I will explain how to get dark mode on Twitter for Android. Open X on your smartphone, then swipe right on the app or tap your profile photo to do this. Go to Settings and Privacy, which is under Settings and Support. Then, tap Accessibility, Display, and Languages, and open the Display menu. Select Dark Mode, and change it from Use Device Settings to On. Then, choose between Dim and Lights Out under the Dark Theme section. Longtime users of X will know dark themes didn't exist on this social network. However, this changed in 2016 after Twitter launched dark mode. The platform called this feature night mode. In 2019, the social media giant updated its dark mode options by providing two background colors. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.